Welcome back to Cooking with Greg Wong. I am really happy to be here. You have no idea. And today what I wanted to do is share a sweet and sour dish, sweet and sour shrimp. A while back I did a sweet and pungent shrimp, basically the same thing, but I was visiting a friend up in Northern California a couple weeks ago, and he wanted sweet and sour pork. And so I made that for him, and it came out so well. I'm going to do it with shrimp. Along with that dish, I'm going to just do a little sauteed broccoli. So I'm going to get busy with that. What I'm going to do is fire up this burner. And we're using the ez-wok system. Lots of heat, lots of fun, lots of flavor. Put a little bit of water in this wok. Let's just bring it over here. Yeah. I've just got some water here. I'm just going to bring it up, not really hot, but just a little bit. I'm going to put a little teaspoon of seasoning and just a little bit of salt in there. This is just real simple dish. Just that's it. Alrighty. Grab a little bit of oil. Add just a pinch of garlic. Let's get back in there. And there's just our sauteed broccoli. Now what I'm going to do is heat up some oil so we can fry the shrimp. It's got a low heat. What I've done is I've made a little batter, and I have my shrimp that I've did an egg wash with some fresh garlic. So what I'm going to do is I have a plate of cornstarch here. In the batter I used a little bit of baking soda, a little bit of salt, 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of flour, and then just some water. And now we're going to take these shrimp and put them in here. Just a light dusting. So I'm going to dial that temperature back down. So now we're just going to take these shrimp, put them all in here. All right. I'm a mess. All right, so what we're doing here is frying up these shrimp. All righty, here's our shrimp. I just blanch these vegetables with a little bit of water. All right. And we got some pineapple too. All right. So what we're going to use for the sauce is I've got some fresh ginger root chopped. I'm just going to use a little bit of garlic in here because it's more sweet and sour. I've got some garlic in the fried shrimp, a little bit of sugar, ketchup for the red color, and I'm going to use a little bit of soy sauce to just richen up that color a little bit. I'm just going to use a little bit of water, and that's pretty much it. So let me assemble this sauce real quick. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of ginger, just a half a teaspoon of garlic, and we're going to go with the ketchup. This is about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. All right. Heat is really low. All right, I'm going to add a little. This is about a teaspoon of soy sauce, and now I'm going to add a little bit of this pineapple juice. Increase the heat a little bit. Add just a little bit of water. And now I'm going to add some sugar. And I'm sorry, we got vinegar at the end to give it that sour taste. So I'm just going to add about 3 tablespoons. That's 2. 1 more tablespoon of sugar. And careful, this will burn real quick with this burner system. So let's just give it a perfect. A little more ginger there. All right, I'm going to put the veggies in. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken up the sauce. Add the pineapples. The shrimp in here. I'm just going to get a little bit of fresh oil just around the edge.
Now we'll just add that 1 tablespoon of vinegar to give it that sour flavor.
That's it. It's done. And we'll plate this. Oh, it's beautiful. But let me just show you that sweet and sour shrimp.